In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use camera's clipping values to create this animation in 4 minutes. There are at least 2 places where we can change the clip settings. One for preview and another for camera. If I scale anything too big like this, the preview screen starts to clip the meshes on the screen. To prevent this issue from occurring, we can type N to bring up the Properties panel and change the clip end values there. There's an identical clip setup panel in the camera's Properties section. Once we go into the render preview mode, we can go to the Camera Properties tab to the right to change the clip setting. We can create a cool visibility animation by keyframing the clip end values. But there's an issue. Let's create a teapot. If you don't have that in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. The issue is how the camera's clipping is removing not only the primary mesh, but anything else around it. Let's suppose we had a background plane in the scene. That plane will disappear with the teapot. It's already clipped, because we have set the clip end value way too low. The best method would be rendering the mesh only, and use the composite node to mix with a pre-rendered external image. Or we can just render the animation with a transparent background and import the animation to a video editing software. Use this background images option to preview how the scene would look like. The background images option is only for temporary, meaning the background only exists in the viewport, not render. We can animate the teapot by keyframing the clip end values. But if we render this scene, only the teapot will appear. Here are the full nodes for mixing 2 images in Blender's Compositor. The underwater render image that I've used for this tutorial example has failed to load into the movie clip node for some reason. If that happens to you while loading any images, please load another image that works. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.